Hello traders and welcome to EG Finance. In this video, I'm gonna analyze GBP AUD, searching for the best opportunities for trading with the lowest risk. So let's get started. Right now we are in the monthly time frame. As we see, we are in a strong downtrend because I see a lower lows and lower highs. So from now we are searching for selling opportunities more than buying opportunities. And in fact, the price made this move. The price made this overextended W formation, and what we are expecting after the creation of W formation, we are expecting the price will backtest the previous resistance and turn it into support, and from here the price will continue to the upside. So everything on the monthly time frame, we are expecting the price will continue to the downside. So at first, at least, the price will backtest the 38.2% from the Fibonacci taken. So this will be our first target on the monthly time frame. Moving to the weekly time frame, what we will get. So right now on the weekly time frame, we are in a clear uptrend because I see higher lows and higher highs. So from now, this is too risky searching for selling opportunities because right now we are testing a quite strong support area because the price tested more than once. We are for weeks, the price didn't break this level. So right now there is too risky searching for selling opportunities on the weekly time frame. Moving to the daily time frame, what we will get. So in the daily time frame, we have this strong uptrend, and this uptrend is broken already and the price backtest. And every time in my educational video I told you that don't enter a sell trade after the breakout of uptrend. You should wait until the price break the previous low and creating a lower low and a lower high. In this condition, you should enter a sell trade. But if you want to be in the safe side, you should duplicate this trend in the same angle on the low created. And if the price breaks the next uptrend, our target will be, we measure from this high to the low created on the downtrend, and after the breakout of the second trend, well, this will be our target. But this has not happened till now because this is a strong support level. The price rejected more than once. Okay, so from here it will be so easy if the price continue to the upside, okay, because the price didn't break the previous low. So moving to the COT data and see what hedge funds and big speculators are doing in the money market. So commitment of traders for AUD, hedge funds and big speculators are closing 3,000 long positions and add 3,000 short positions, and that means they are interested selling AUD more than buying it. Moving to the COT for GBP, the non-commercial are closing 2,400 long positions and add 18,000 short positions, and this is a huge volume. So right now we have a weak AUD and also weak GBP. So in this condition, when we have two weak currencies, maybe the price will range. What we should do right now in this condition, we should wait for a clear price action here in a smaller time frame, breaking this structure and backtest, and this will be our target on the 38.2% Fibonacci on the monthly time frame. And in updates, we will share it on our Telegram channel. I invite you to join it. So this is my analysis for GBP AUD. If you like this video, support us with like and subscribe. And if you want any analysis, just write it in the comments down below. Stay safe and thank you.